All right, woman. Time to scrub, wipe down the toilet seat. Make sure you wrap that down. Make sure you get all the feces, all the man juices and the woman juices on the toilet. Make sure you wipe down, get all that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now lift up that toilet seat. Yeah. Now wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, get all the pee stains off of that toilet seat. Yeah. Get all that. Wipe that. We're gonna get all that nasty stuff. Uh, Here's one thing that the ladies that never looked under the seat look look now lift up that seat. That's where most of the ladies do not want to know the truth about themselves when they don't see. No, honey. Wait. Now show that toilet seat right there. Show it. Show the toilet seat. See, this is the part that I'm talking about. The ladies want to ignore. Hmm. That see y'all get upset when when your boyfriend or husband your husband you know they get upset about lifting up the toilet seat. See all this is where most of the germs and all the feces and the fecal matter all that be under the toilet seat. Most majority, uh, maybe not all of it, but most majority. That's because a lot of people fart while they tooting in the toilet and people don't think that nothing anything of it. That's why you gotta wipe it down. You gotta wipe it down with some comment or some some pine sol and some Febreze at the same time. That's why you gotta scrub it down. All right. Get back to scrubbing, woman. Get back to scrubbing. Get back to scrubbing. Get back to scrubbing. Get back to scrubbing. Hmm. That's the most important. First of all, where are your gloves? Now that I think about it, where are your gloves? How you gonna clean a toilet without just barehanded? But anyway, we'll skip that for another day. Keep on scrubbing. Now get to the toilet bowl. Get to the toilet bowl. Scrub all that down. Scrub all that down. Make sure you disinfect that wire, your pink handset with some rubbing alcohol. Make sure you scrub that down. Scrub that down. All right. It's time to start plunging. It's time to, cause you. First of all, why would you close down the toilet seat to plunge? That don't make no sense whatsoever. You better open up that toilet seat because that's disgusting right there. That is just disgusting right there. Okay,
Yeah.
that's disgust. Do you know that rats can come up to the toilet? Not that like get the just get the plunging. Okay, woman, just do it. Just do it. Okay. First of all, how are you going to plunge with just one hand? You need two hands to plunge.
I'm on the phone. Okay.
I know that you're on the phone, but how are you going to plunge with one hand? First of all, you need to exercise your arms in order to do that. Okay? You gotta exercise. All right? Now start plunging. You look like you struggling right there. You look like you struggling. You look like you struggling. You look like you struggling. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Ugh. No, wait. Before you gotta shake. You got to shake. You gotta shake a little bit. The plunger. You gotta shake it a little bit. Make sure there's no fecal matter in there or toilet paper. Or toilet paper. Ah, no, the worst part is having like toilet paper on the plunger. Oh, that's the worst to get out. That's just disgusting. Okay, now put away the plunger. Close the toilet seats. You need gloves. That's what you. Now go wash your hands. because your hands is nasty now. With hot water. Make sure you clean your soap dispenser too, because your hand nasty. hmm Make sure you clean that water fountain right there with your not so dirty hands. Okay. I think you got the picture, woman. Turn off that water. You done for the day. Thank you, wife. Thank you.